Hey guys, today we're going to be making some chocolate covered marshmallows, but they have salted caramel on the inside of them. And they are super tasty and they're really simple to make. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make them. Okay, so we're going to start off, and I have these Hershey chocolate bars. It's basically any chocolate you like. This is milk chocolate, but I'm going to take 3 to 4 of these. I'm making about 10 to 15 of these chocolate covered marshmallows, so yeah, it's approximately 4 bars of chocolate. It does take a lot of chocolate, but I mean, they're really good, so. And we're just going to open them and break them into little squares into a microwave safe bowl, and then once that's done, we're going to microwave them to melt them, and then 30-second intervals, mixing it up till it's all liquidy, or yeah, it's not a solid anymore. And then that's the chocolate dipping for, yeah. Alright. Alright, so I have my 15 marshmallows here, and I have just this cookie sheet. You can use like a cutting board or whatever, it doesn't matter. And I have these disposable plastic straws. And so we're going to make the cavity that we put the salted caramel in. And so you're just going to use the non-bendy end, and you're just going to stick it in there and then pull it out. And it should rip and pull out like a small cavity so that you can put the caramel in it. Okay, so we have taken out the part of the marshmallow to make our cavity, and then we have our salted caramel here, and we have this little bottle with a little tiny nozzle on the end, and we're just going to put the caramel into the marshmallows, and then we're just going to freeze them so that it solidifies and hardens, so that when we dip it in the chocolate, all the caramel doesn't come out. So let's do that. Okay, so when these are frozen for about, or been in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you have your melted chocolate, and then we're going to get another squirt bottle. You can just take a spoon and do it, but I'm going to use this because it's more precise. We're going to take your melted chocolate, put it in here, and then we're going to squirt it on top to get just the top layer so that the hole with the caramel in it gets completely covered with chocolate, so no one will ever know there's caramel in it. And then we are good. And then we're just going to take more caramel and drizzle it over the top, and it'll be good.
Just eats it.
Watch the Suits with your mom.
After, don't worry.
Well, wait a minute. If you guys are doing Stranger Things tonight?
Yeah. Well, they watch.
Then I'll stick around being a little longer.
I'll stay up there.
Or actually, you know what? I need to write a lot, so.
So that would be additional. We did a little scrimmage, and then we did offense, defense drills, and then another scrimmage.
What are we doing with these DJs?
I need to take a picture and ask the girls if they belong to them.
Some of them keep bending out on the floor and running through. Either different or
Way to go.
seems pretty obvious that it's them. Jack, you just got up.
Okay, so now I'm taking the rest of the caramel sauce that I had, and then these are frozen, and the chocolate is hardened up, and so we're just going to take this and kind of go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and I'll make these cool, really intricate looking, fancy looking designs of caramel on the top. So, and then they'll be finished. I mean, that's all you have to do. It's super easy. So let's do that. Done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I post every single Thursday, or at least I do my level best to do that, at 7 a.m. And if you have a recipe that you really love and you would like me to do, then leave it down in the comment section below, and make sure to turn on that notifications bell so that you don't miss one of my weekly videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep baking.